Alright guys, so before this video actually starts, as you can see right there, it's your boy. But look at right there, official birthday celebration of Aaron Ramirez on April 7th. This is y'all invite. If y'all are 21, please come through. I'm getting bottle service there. Just come to the spot, say what's up. We could take pictures or whatever. Just know, we rolling extra deep and everyone is gonna be extra cozy. But yeah, as you can see, the address is right there. If it could, hold on, let me zoom in. Y'all can't really see that. Right there. That's the address. Please come through. Say what's up to your boy. Ooh, got a text from the boo-boo. But yeah, Saturday slaps. Every Saturday, ratchet, rough, shaking slaps. It's about to be extra lit. I'm super hyped. We rolling with 50 people. Please come through if y'all want to say what's up. Let's go. Good morning, guys. We in the pink strawberry Patrick hoodie. I won the Air Maxes. It's a good Monday. Let's go. Found this Chalkline official jacket. McDonnell Douglas. Pretty crazy. But they're asking for 30 and it actually has a lot of like rips and stuff all over it. You can't really see it, but it has a lot of like white thread scratches. Probably gonna leave it, and they're taxing. Look at that. Asking for 30. Gotta pass, even though it's fire. Dang, they got these Iversons right here, but they're asking for 20. These are pretty tight, man. They also have like this DMX like little bubble right here, but it's ripping on both sides. Probably gonna pass. Just found this vintage Corvette Stingray. See right there, it says 1963. This is a pretty fire shirt, and they're only asking for $3. Pickup. Kids Legend Blues with the strap. A way too beat. Look at that marker. Yo, you know, hit me, bro. Just got to Goodwill. About to pop in. Extra fake and extra messed up. It's like ripped everywhere, but still pretty crazy to find. MCM backpack for the ladies. We got this Guess crew neck right here, size medium, and Guess Calvin Klein. And then this Guess long sleeve for women. It's just like bedazzled. And then they have this polo sport duffel. These don't really do too well. It's probably gonna leave that. Look at that, brand new. Well, not brand new, but they look extra new. Some Nike slides, and you can get these brand new at like Nordstrom Rack for like 15 bucks, so probably gonna pass. Got this Stussy hoodie right here for $4. Not bad. These two pieces that I found right here are crazy. These are kids Chrome Hearts hoodies. I don't know if you guys know the brand, but this one right here, this 12-month one, I saw it on eBay. It's going for like $250. And then this one is a little bigger. This is for a little bigger kid, but I couldn't find this one on eBay. But crazy combo. Just found these kids True Blue 3's size. I don't know if that'll clear up. You can see right there, size 11C. They're pretty dirty, but they're only asking for $6. I can't pass these up. I gotta get them. $6? I got this Jordan fanny pack, new with tags. Morning, y'all. I'm here pretty early, like 20 minutes early, so. Yeah, boy. Just gonna get some studying in because I got a test today. We gonna ace it though, baby! But yeah, let's go thrift after. Come on. Yo, I just found two bootleg pieces. This is a bootleg Versace. It's actually like a women's belt. But I know I could do something with this. I could style this. This is so fire. And I found these right here, some baby blue Versace sunglasses. See the logo right there? Oh my god, these are so hard. They're asking for 10 and then they're asking for 6. I'm copying both of these for sure. Bruh, look how big this stocking is. Imagine being a kid and this was your stocking. They got some Pressos right here. Size 11, my size. But they're asking for 25. I mean, that's not that steep, but I don't know. The colorway is alright. Pretty beat, but I found some Huaraches right here. Size 7 wide but I don't know what size these are on women's. Cleaned up for the boo-boo? I don't know if these are actually her size, so we'll see what the conversion is. Got these Air Forces right here. Size 10. Yellowing on the sole. These were an 11, I'd cop. I like the fact when they're yellow at the bottom. It gives it a little bit of age. I'm only asking for 15. The Versace's though. Dang, they got this crazy pair of Tommy kicks right here, size 10. I don't know if anyone would buy this, but I would wear these definitely if they were my size. Oh my god, bro. And then they actually got some Huaraches down here. Pretty clean pair still. They got some high tops right here. High top Adidas Pro models. I found this women's Tommy hoodie right here. Kind of wide, just a little flag there and there. And then I found these right here, for sure picking these up. Go figure, athletic swimming trunks. Gotta get summer ready. And then here, perfect for the Jordan 5s, the grapes. Some vintage Nike Jordan track pants. Wish I had the matching top, but this is a cop. I was walking by the short section again and then I saw these pockets and I was like, that looks the same as these. Flip it around. Let's go. Another pair, but in the blue. So one blue, one yellow. Both cop. They actually got some Prestos. Slip-ons. They're actually my size, but not really feeling the blue. They're asking for 20. And right here I found a vintage Grand Canyon tee. Pretty for ya. And then right here San Diego 1987. The San Diego Zoo vintage crooner. Might pick this up for the San Diego heads. Yeah boy, just found a banger. You already know what that is. Yeah, vintage starter. Lakers satin jacket, and they're only asking for 20. I already checked everything. Everything looks good. Oh my god, bro. And I found this right here. This is new age though. I don't know if I'll pick this up. I might. Someone might want to scoop this. Okay. What up, Homer? Bootleg Tommy beanie. North Face zip up. Probably gonna pass. Dang, this sucks. I found this one right here, size XL. But the stains on here, I tried wiping it off like with water, but not coming off. I might still pick this up, we'll see. GOYARD side drag for ladies? That thing's extra fake, dude. It's got the GOYARD though right there if you can see it. But yeah. Super fake. Yo, what's good guys? So I actually just got to the boo-boo spot, just waiting for her to get back home so she can let me into her house. But I just got here, just wanted to let you guys know that I actually did end up picking up the Lakers size XL satin jacket. Even though it was, dang, I hope this air conditioning is not messing up my sound. But yeah, I turned it off right now. Just turned it off. But yeah, I picked up the Lakers satin jacket. I looked it up. I was like, how to remove stains from satin jackets, and there was a formula, so hopefully it works. I don't know, I couldn't pass it. For some reason, I just couldn't leave it there. I just had to pick it up. And the fact that I found two, that's what kind of enticed me to buy it. I was like, can't leave it. Two of the same exact jacket, both purple. On eBay, they go for like, in good condition, they go for like 100. So I had to pick it up. So the size XL will most likely be for sale, and the size large will probably stay in the personal. But yeah, let's go see the boo-boo. Alright y'all, so I just got back home and I actually just want to show you guys everything I picked up real quick. Starter, Laker satin jacket, doubled up. That one's a size XL, this one's a size large. And then I also found two pairs. Are they both size medium? Yep, both size medium. Hilfiger, Tommy Hilfiger vintage shorts, Hilfiger athletics going down both legs. Y'all gotta get summer ready. The blue and the yellow. And then I found a new age Tommy tee. They're asking for $6. This is a newer New Age Tommy tee, but I still had to pick it up. They're only asking for 6. I found 2 Chrome Hearts hoodies for kids. This one right here I've seen listed on eBay for like 200. I know it's kids, but Chrome Hearts is a very expensive brand. And then this one right here as well. This one's for 12 months, and this one's 2T, 2 toddler. And then I found a Marcelo, that's my cousin. I found a Marcelo Berlin tee. This is a expensive brand as well, high-end designer. Stingray right here, vintage 1963, single stitch, very cool. Corvette. This tee is from right there, you could see it, 1995. And then right here I found, these are both bootleg but both Versace. I'm probably gonna do something with this. I don't know what yet. Might do a custom, but I had to pick it up. They're only asking for $6 for this. Just look at that, man. The details on this is just wild. And then right here, some bootleg Versace. I just had to get them because the blue frames were just too icy. They're so fresh. But yeah, those are all the pickups. Yo. But yeah, so those are all the pieces that your boy picked up. Shout out to Brandon Evans for hooking me up with this Tommy crew neck. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up. This was Trip to the Thrift numero 64. I wanted to show you guys the shoes. I got the Air Maxes right here, but I'm gonna save that for another video. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'll show you guys soon, I promise. But yeah, peace out. You already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Aim and the fashion was is good.